This joist has been removed because, as you can see, it's not structurally sound. The drill's in reverse to pull out the original screws. Here we have a supporting post that's concreted into the ground, if you can see there. We're just going to check it for its structural integrity, as this is an existing subframe and we're checking what we may need to replace. Si's just going to give it a little test now. We'll push it, shake it. Yeah, solid. Yeah. And then with a screwdriver or any tool really, give it a little knock. Maybe scrape it a little bit just to check that the wood's not peeling away anywhere. And that it's strong enough to support the new deck that we're building onto it. So here we're just double checking the depth of our hole. As you can see there, we're at 2 foot, which is 60 centimetres, which is deep enough for our post. Marking the height of the post there, ready for cutting. Sitting in the hole nice, that's been checked. Yeah, as you can see. Well, that's going to take it out now and get that cut. As you can see here, the top of this post is chamfered. Just allows water to run off in case anything's falling between the boards. Securing the post now into the existing subframe. Do it on both sides. So we've already got 2 screws in. We're now going to put a timber drive screw into the front. That'll really secure the post to the existing. So now we're going to put our post mix into the hole that we've already put the water into. So we're putting the post mix all around that post, getting it right in on top of the already soaked in water. And that's the full bag in. Now we're going to add water on top, as instructed with the bag. Just even that out a little bit. So here we're just using a trowel to give a little run off, a little tapering round the post, so the water's not pooling at the bottom of the post. The new joist isn't quite the same height as the other one when installing, so we're going to be using a packer below the joist to make sure it's sitting flush with the existing joist here. As you can see here, the packer is now in place, ready for the joist to be secured to the subframe, keeping it at the same height as the other joists.
Behind the wall.
Pushing the clip in, nice and tight, and just putting the screw in.
Tight on the pack. Yeah.
can see a 6mm gap here created at the ends of the boards, with 3mm side to side of the board created by the clip. As we go down the board,